Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Obviously, I don't know if it's obvious to you, but it's obvious to me that this was a very unplanned video. That's why I'm looking like I'm looking. It's giving Cinderella before she met her fairy godmother. But the reason I'm filming this little video is because I just spent like 4 hours cleaning just my bedroom. And I want to talk to y'all about it. If you're wondering, girl, why are you talking to us about this? Just stick with me through this because it's gonna kind of come together. But I decided to just, pull out the camera. I actually was just gonna do a reel, which I'm still gonna do. But then I was like, oh, it's on my mind now. I kind of want to just get it out. So I pulled out the microphone, and then my brain was like, why would you not pull out your camera as well? So this is what you get today. But it's Saturday. I'm at that age where Saturday mornings I wake up, I play my music, and I clean. That's part of it. I try to do it on Friday nights, but I was not in a good mood yesterday for more reasons than one. But yesterday I went to bed as early as possible. That's all I'm going to say about it. So today I had to do my cleaning. And normally when I do like my deep cleaning, like the dusting, the sweeping, the mopping, the laundry, the dishes, wiping everything down, clean the tub, clean the toilet, all of that. Normally when I do that, I always start in the kitchen. And then I clean the living room. And then I go to the bathroom. And then I finish in the bedroom. Now, because I'm doing that super, super, super deep clean in all rooms, by the time I get to my room, I'm over it. I don't feel like it. I'm not putting the same energy and effort in the dusting. I'll skip the fan, or I'll sweep and I won't mop. And my bedroom just does not get the same amount of like intention of cleaning that the rest of the house does, especially my kitchen. My kitchen, she gets it all. And for those that may not know this, I don't know if it's feng shui or if it's just energy. I forget what do you call it? And I'm pretty sure it's feng shui, but let me stay focused. Each room in your house energetically is supposed to symbolize something. So like your kitchen is your health and your wellness. Your living room is like your family and your relationships. Your bathroom, I believe, is money. And your bedroom is like your self-love. It's the room of passion. It's the room of love and, spicy, sexy, sultry. This is your space. This is the representation of you. I said to myself, I've had 2 loads of laundry clean in baskets for 2 weeks now. Why have I not put it up yet? Girl, put it up. And that was what inspired me to start in my room today. And I just found it very interesting how the recovering people pleaser in me correlated the two. This is the room of self-love. This is the room that I give my last to. The kitchen, the living room, the friends, the fellowship, the health, the wellness. I'm pouring all my energy into that. But when it comes to my space and my most intimate and my self-love, I'm not putting in the same amount of effort. I'm not putting in the same amount of attention, intention, and it doesn't get catered to the way that all the other areas of my life rooms do. I'm gonna tell you one thing. The biggest thing about this like self-healing / spiritual journey that I've been on is how nothing just is anymore. Like nothing is simple. Nothing is like it. I can't even just clean my room without spirit trying to give me a life lesson or without me realizing something about myself. And it's such a beautiful thing. Sometimes it can be really overwhelming because you don't have to be healing and working on yourself 24/7. But this is just the phase of my life that I'm in right now. And I just wanted to clean my room. I wasn't trying to have a life lesson. I wasn't trying to bring up trauma. I just wanted to clean my room. But as I cleaned my room today, I had that realization. And that's really how I ended up in here for 4 hours, because I moved every piece of furniture. I swept the baseboards. I mopped. I dusted my blinds. I dusted my fan. I cleaned off the mirror. I put up every clean piece of laundry, but I cleared off my shelf, dusted, wiped it down. I actually reorganized a few things on my shelves, and I think it's so cute. And what I really liked about this is, number one, it feels amazing in here. Like, the energy in my room right now, phenomenal. I don't ever just sit in my bed anymore. I only come to my bed if I'm sleeping, or, but I can't remember the last time that I just chilled in my bed. So I paid a lot of money for that couch, and I be on the couch. I take naps on the couch, all those things. And I'm sitting here talking to y'all, filming this video, and I'm just like, ooh, it feels good in here. I like this. I like what happens when I put energy into myself. And I want to feel that feeling in my life too, when I'm hanging out with people or out about in the world, making sure that I'm pouring into myself first and not leaving myself the crumbs or the leftovers or the last little swig of juice in the fridge. We're not doing that anymore. And I've always known that about myself, but this was a really nice reminder. And I know there are some people that might be like, girl, it is not that serious. It is not that deep. This video is not for you. This video is for my people that are aware and that realize that everything is everything. If you get it, you get it. The girls that get it, and the girls that don't, just don't. This is one of these. And to be honest, a lot of my content is going to become the girls that get it. And I'm not explaining it further than what I'm already explaining it. If you don't get it, it's not your time yet, baby. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's not shade. That's just me. This is where I am. Okay, you got to meet me here. But anyway, the last thing I want to say about this whole little room analogy is that by going through and cleaning everything, I realized that I don't really have anything in my room that I don't need or that I don't use. I think I've done a really good job of managing my items and organizing them so that it is very much just me. There's not a lot of clutter. There's not a lot of just unnecessary stuff. So I give myself a pat on the back from that, because I've been doing that in my life too. I ain't all the way there yet, but I've been making a conscious effort. But then also, this apartment has a lot of wall space. Like, y'all can't see right here, this entire wall is blank. I wish I felt like painting it to just have a black wall, but I'm not doing that. Maybe I'll get some wallpaper or something. But what I'm slowly trying to get to is that by everything being put away, everything being clean and wiped down, I'm seeing my rooms of I'm seeing my areas of opportunity. I've been wanting to do some DIY art. These on the wall back here, I did those last year at my old place, and I love them. I have one in front of me as well, and I told myself that I wanted to add more to this one. You guys can't see it, but it's right in front of me. Why haven't I done that yet? I have all the things. Add to it, because every time I look at that one, I'm like, I don't like that one. These two, fire. That one's ugly. Why haven't I added to it yet? Do it. Put that effort in. Stop putting it off. There's no reason for you to be putting it off. I've been saying that I wanted the European pillows on my bed. Do it. Not that it looks bad right now, but it's not the look that I want. And it's just like, put that effort in. It's what you want. Put the effort in. Get it done. All this wall space. I have a blank canvas over here that I bought 2 or 3 weeks ago because I was going to do some DIY art. I was supposed to do that and hang it up. Why is the canvas still over there blank with plastic wrapped on it? And the thing is, y'all, I'm at home all the time. I spend a lot of time at home. I spend too much time at home. But we're not going to talk about that right now. And I'm just like, why am I not putting my energy and my effort into all these things that I want? Physically in my room and figuratively in my life. Why am I playing with myself is the question. Why am I sleeping on myself is the question. And this is what I mean by, like, everything is everything. I'm just talking about, I'm cleaning up my room and looking at things that I want to do that I just haven't done for no reason at all. Same exact thing in my life. Why have I not been posting on YouTube consistently? You don't have to look cute every time you record a video. If you want to get on there and talk, bitch, get on there and talk. Excuse my French. Like, it's really not that hard. Just do it. And I saw this TikTok one time, and the girl was like, basically, you know how people say like things that they learn from their therapist. I love those videos. And she was basically saying like, we're not consistent because we don't trust ourselves to be, or I don't think that I deserve consistency. That shit hurt. It hurt so bad because little things like that in life are really like that. Because I say I can't get up at 4 o'clock in the morning so that I can get all my things done before I start working at 6. But if I got a flight to catch at 5, what time am I getting up? 3. And am I going to be there? Yes. Because there's like this external thing that I feel like I have to be there for. Why can't I feel like I have to be there for myself for the things that I say that I want to do? Or the things that I say that I want? I hope somebody else needed to hear that, because I have to constantly remind myself of this right here. This is not something new that I just realized when I was cleaning my room. What I just said is something that I've known for at least 2 years. And at this point, I'm sick of my own shit. But I'm ready to pour into myself for once in my fucking life. So, yeah, when I say I spent 4 hours cleaning my room today, it was my physical room, it was my energetic room, and it was like my in a figurative room. I was getting my shit together today, and I feel really good right now. This might just be tomorrow's video. I think it is what it is. I think I need to stop trying to make everything perfect and make everything appealing and appeasing to everybody, because somebody needed to hear this. So this is the video that's going up on my YouTube tomorrow. Damn. All right. Thank you guys if you took the time to watch the whole video. I hope you felt me in some way or the other. If it's boring, I'm sorry. No, I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's my channel. I do what I want. So anyway, thank you for as always, thank you guys so much for your time and energy. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check in and subscribe with yourself before you subscribe to me or anybody else. But if you're good, then you can subscribe to my channel as well. Until next time, which better be next week and not 3 weeks from now.